Good afternoon, Mallikarjun.
Good afternoon, man.
Yeah, myself, Neenu. I just want to take a feedback from your side. First of all, congratulations for grabbing the job.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
So you can give a introduce about yourself, your native hobbies.
Yeah, man. Myself, Mallikarjun Patanchetti. I am from Sindigi. It's a taluka place in Bijapur. And I have completed my engineering at Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara College of uh, Sri the College, SGMC Dharwad. And I have completed my MTech in the same college. And then I have joined the CMTI for the course so that I would get my knowledge towards I would enhance my knowledge towards the subjects in the civil field.
Okay, that was nice. Like, how do you come to know about CMTI?
My uncle works at L&T.
Okay,
He has a good contact with the CEO of CMTI. So
okay,
then my uncle suggested me to join CMTI so that I would learn and I would know the industrial need as per the industry, like what the industry needs, how the construction field going on. So this is the best place that you can join, and you would get the knowledge towards the subjects.
okay. So like, how did you prefer this advanced construction management course?
Once I came to CMTI, like after the contacting to CMTI, I met with Sir. Then I spoke with Sir. Then Sir has briefed me about like courses, which all the courses we have. Then I got the suggestions. Like I felt like CACM course is good for me, which suits for me because it has the all the subject. Like it covers everything,
Okay.
like about reading of drawings and site marking, then like project management, even managing the project management things, then like study of BOQ, contractor, tendering, procurements, QA, QC, QS, every subject, like almost
So
all.
these topics all you have learnt in advanced construction management.
Yeah.
So yeah, so little bit you can brief and tell me like which are the topics like which you are like more comfortable and
See,
like.
I'm comfortable with like tendering and contracts, then
Okay,
procurement, then quantity surveyor,
okay,
quality control, quality assurance, then project management, project coordinator.
okay,
I got all the knowledges in these subjects, and I was good at these. Like I I have studied, and I have like the lecturers were so good that they taught us everything within the time limits, and they
okay.
gave us like lot of knowledge towards the subjects, each and every subject.
Okay, you went for the site visits, right?
Yeah,
So
I
what
had
was the site experience and other things?
at the site we got to know a lot of things, like how the structure stands and like how they plan, like they will be a planning for the construction also within
Okay,
how within a time period, how they have completed the project and how they are doing the work, how they get the labors, how they maintain the labor force, then what all the equipments they have for the construction, they use for the constructions, and then the site engineer, how he reads the drawings and how he execute the project. They taught us everything there, like to how to manage the things, how to know the project.
okay.
Yeah.
So how comfortable you was with our trainers? So
Like I never felt like I am an outsider here. Okay, it was
okay.
just like I was in my place, and I learned the things so easily, and the communication was really good with them. It was just like
Because yeah, because when you are comfortable only you can move forward to next step, right? Because
yeah,
that nervousness should not be there when you are pursuing a college and other things also.
yes,
So that only I'm asking. You are very comfortable with them, or
yeah. I was comfortable with them. Like I was really totally close with them. Like, they were good. Like I had a good communication with them, and I had a good response from them. Whenever I used to ask any of the questions, they used to they used to give their time to and solve my problem. Like they used to teach me everything nicely. Even though the class has completed, once the class is completed, I would wait and ask the things, how to enhance my, like, enhance the things, like learn and enhance my skill, so on.
Okay.
They are all, they used to
Yeah.
always help me out.
That was very nice. Like, how did you crack the interview?
Before going for the interview here at my institute, they taught us how to study, how to prepare for the interview. We used to have separate sessions for the interview also, like how you should get ready, prepare for the uh, interviews. Natarajan sir, Vijay sir, Anand sir, and Abhinav sir, even our Ashok sir has, like, they used to ta- teach us like how to they used to guide us how to speak and how to be, how well dressed you should be while going, you should be while going to the interview. Everyone used to say, for like whenever we used to have class and free time, they used to guide us. That is how I cracked the things in
Yeah.
the project.
So, like, what I was about to ask you, like, how was you know about CMTA app, right? So, how
Yeah.
much do you like our CMTA app?
CMTI app, it's like basically it has it is so good that even a fresher can learn the things by just going through the videos and the
Okay.
PDFs which are there in the app. Okay, they have explained this nicely. You just sit, hear the things, observe the video, and learn the things, and you will crack the interview like easily. That app is like really, it will mold the fresher also into the as per the construction needs, for industrial needs. It's really a good rate. I have rated it 5 star, and like I felt it's really and I recommend people to use the CMTI app because
That
that's
was
really
very
good.
nice. Very happy to hear from your side also.
Yeah.
Like, how was the CMTI staff's entire coordination? So,
It's like
you can
staff.
explain. Yeah.
I really like want to say that they are really good, because
Okay.
they, whenever I used to have any problem, if I just go and ask them, please, this is the thing, they used to like, yes, done, we will get back to you. They would
Yeah.
take some 1 minute or something, like just clarify the things. If I was in need of like some document, like example, if I was studying for a contract and tendering. Okay, and I went and spoke with them, I want some notes. Automatically they search the, like, where the notes are there, where are the PDFs. They went through the whole computer, and then the documents which are at the institute. Then they give me the thing, like materials, study materials.
Okay.
They help me out. This is just an example, just to,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No,
but
because
they are
when
helping
our
out.
guidance is with you is fine, no? So you can proceed it very well. It will be
uh,
convenient. So
yeah.
anything you not hesitate to ask, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
They helped me in each and every way. Like staff was really good. They
Really,
used,
really, I'm very happy to hear this. So
yeah,
entire stuff you're meaning, no, it's very, very nice. So
yes,
you, when you are comfortable and telling regarding comments, so that will be very nice.
yeah,
Because our helping way, the thing like you are benefited, as well as our thing is to guide you in a proper way. Okay.
yes, yes,
So then it does not be stopped or something, right?
yes.
Okay, so would you like to refer Prayojana Engineering and CMTI to your friends?
Yeah, of course, I would like to suggest the my CMTI and Prayojana Engineering Solutions, because they help us like a lot of things, like in to get knowledge, as well as to uh, get the placements also. Both they are good at both. There is
Okay.
like they are perfect for any of the freshers.
Okay, fine. That was very
Uh,
nice.
uh,
Yeah. So I just thought of asking you, like, so you are very, I wish you good luck, okay,
Thank you.
from my side. So
Yeah.
all the best for your career.
Thank you. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much for your wonderful feedback. So, for what is the final point of view from your side, Mallika Arjun's view for the juniors?
My view will be like don't you even think twice to join CMTI, because CMTI is really a good institute which will mold you and which will train you so good that you will be one of the best engineers in the society. I know that, and like you people can make it once you join CMTI and Prayojana Engineering Solutions. That is my best thing. to see my to see
Thank you.
to my
Thank you so much, Mallikarjun.
yeah.
All the best. Okay.
Thank
Thank you so much. Thank you for the feedback.
thank thank you. Yeah.